Now see here, in Newton's laws of motion we have done about the forces and frictional forces. Now we are going to do dynamics of uniform circular motion. Already we have discussed in motion in a plane, when the body moves in a circular path with a uniform speed, we say the body is moving, has uniform circular motion. Suppose at any point body is here, body has velocity to this direction, this is the radius r of the path. So, when the body moves in circular path, every time its direction of the velocity keeps on changing, because of that body has acceleration. This acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration, and the acceleration to this is, that is c. AC is equal to v square upon r. V is equal to, we can write r omega, where omega is angular velocity, r is the radius. So, that will be here r square omega square by r, and that is omega square r. This is called centripetal acceleration. And if you multiply by mass, so that become mac square is equal to m omega square r, and this is called force. So, F is equal to m omega square r. So, when the body moves in a circular path with the uniform speed, it has acceleration towards center, that is called centripetal acceleration, and it experiences force toward the center, or the force is required to maintain the circular motion here, that is called centripetal force. Its formula is this. But see here, when the body is moving in circular path, it has tendency to go in a straight line. Because of that, another force arises, that is called centrifugal force. And centrifugal, so this we have, there are the two forces, one is the centripetal force and another one is centrifugal. So, as I have told you, body has tendency to go in a straight line, because of that a force arises, that is called centrifugal force. But see here, centripetal force acting towards center, centrifugal force is acting outward. Both the forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, and both the magnitudes can be written mv square upon r, or we can write m omega square r. Here we have to take its examples, like when the car is moving on a curved road, or there is a banking of the road. So, now we are going to discuss here the movement of the car or turning of the car on a curved road.